Shoo shoo train. Pikachu.
Okay, let's see what the letters are. Happy Sunday! We are just leaving the house. It's 4:09 p.m. We had a really chill morning, afternoon. So we're just now getting out. We're heading to the train depot for the miniature train exhibit. Today's the last day and it ends at 5. So we'll be there in about 10 more minutes. So yeah, we can kind of experience that this holiday. We usually do it every year and they only have it for what, 6 days out of the year. So yeah, follow on along.
There's someone in there.
Oh, cool. All right, come on, you ready? Welcome to a new day. All right, so right now I am getting ready to get my hair stuff together because today is hair day. I'm about to wash my hair, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw a wig on and see how that goes for the rest of this week. And if I decide to later on this weekend, I'll redo my locks, my butterfly locks. But yeah, I kind of wanted some knotless braids, but first of all, I don't want to sit that long, and then I don't want to pay like $200 or more for any knotless braids right now. So yeah, I'm either going to just keep wearing my wig or wear the wig for this week and then do some butterfly locks this weekend. But anyway, let me get my little wig stuff together. We'll go to my mom's house, gonna wash my hair there, and my sister, I'm gonna blow it dry it as well, and then my sister's gonna braid it to the back for me. All right. I don't think I'm feeling the bangs. Yeah, I'm not feeling the bangs, so let me keep looking. Yeah, let me keep looking. Okay, so I have picked out 3 wigs that I need to choose from. This one is brand new. I haven't actually worn this one before. And I don't think I've worn this one either. And I've worn this one several times. So I'm going to pick between these 3. But I'm just going to take all 3 of them with me so that I can kind of try them on and see which one I want to go with. What you got? Hello, welcome back to another day. Yeah, another video. We are just finishing, well, I'm just finishing up work. It is currently 5:31 p.m. We are waiting on my nephew's mom to get here to pick him up. He came back today. But anyway, we're waiting on her to come pick him up so that we can get out in these streets because we have some errands to run tonight. I need to look at my list to see where we need to go, but yeah, stay tuned. But anyway, while I have you, these elf cookies are the bomb. They came from Five Below. But yeah, they are so good. It's shortbread. Oh, well, if somebody lets me get them, because she's trying to get back into them. But they're the little shortbread Elf on the Shelf cookies, and they're so good. So I'm definitely going to grab me another box if we make it by Five Below. I'm not sure if that's one of the places. No, don't eat that. I'm not sure if that's one of the places on the list for tonight, but when I do get back to Five Below, I'm going to grab another box of those. But anyway, check in with you shortly. day 2 of shopping. Say hello. Look, look, look. Look, Holly. Look. Hey, pretty girl. Okay, that's better. So we are back from day 2 of shopping. I just want to quickly show some of the things I got from Aldi and I think Target or Walmart, one of them. But I'm not going to show everything. The items that I got for the kids, Christmas stockings for the Christmas party, I'll show those tomorrow when I get ready to put all of the stockings together because the party is on Friday. But the first item I wanted to share was this little cute cosmetics set that I got for my niece because she asked for makeup for Christmas. And it comes with the eyeshadow, lip gloss, lip pencil, the little brushes and all that little stuff so she can feel like she's putting on makeup. Okay, have to fix that. Then got my rose gold cup from Target. As you saw, they have these on clearance right now, 50% off. So I had to grab this one to add to my collection. And then I got some stuff for Holly's hair. I use Shea Moisture on her. And then I had to get, because I'm the homeroom mom, I was in charge of getting the gift from the class as a whole, and I got a Target gift card for the teacher. I got 2 video games for a Nintendo Switch for Carter for Christmas. If you can hear me. Uh-oh. Here you go. Here you go, fool. I need to hide these. Okay, so now the stuff from Aldi. They had a 2-pack of this cleaning gel. I think it was $3.98 or $3.99. But this is the thing that you use in the cards and in your keyboards to get all the dust out. So I wanted to try it out. I think it's usually pink or blue, but Aldi has the yellow one. So we're gonna try that out, see how it works. And then I got Carter one of these electric toothbrushes, and it was only $4.99. It comes, does it come with a battery? I'm not sure if it comes with a battery, but it is battery operated, and it includes a extra brush head. Well, it's not gonna focus. I can't put my hand up because I'm holding Holly. And then they had these 3-pack of men's blade razors that basically the reason why I went ahead and tried it is because it said to compare it to the Chic Extreme number 3. So yeah, we're gonna see how these work. They look almost the same, so I don't know, we're gonna see how it works. Then what I really wanted to show were these. I hope it focused. But they had these cute eyeshadow palettes that basically look identical to the Naked palette. If I remember, I'll find a picture and put on the screen. But I have one of the Naked palettes. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Here, Pooh. Here you go, Pooh. Here you go, Pooh. Here you go, Pooh. Here you go, Pooh. Okay. Okay. I have one of the Naked palettes. This one here. And it was like $54 when I bought it. So I don't know how much they run now. But for the price of this one, which was what I think $5.99, that's a steal. Yeah. It looks almost the exact same. And then look how smooth and buttery that is. Smooth and buttery. Like, well, you can't see that color. Let's get a darker color. Baby, when I tell you that's a steal, there was another lady in there, and when I was looking at them, she walked up. I was telling my sisters that they look just like the Naked palette, and she walked. Oh, let me show you the brush. But anyway, she walked up and she was like, yeah, it looks just like it. And she's bought some of the Naked palettes before, but she wrecked up, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think that lady got 6 of these. She got 2 in each. It's actually 4 of them. So I don't know. She had a bunch of them, but she probably she said that she was gonna use them and they would make good Christmas gifts. So I'm sure she's gonna get them for Christmas gifts. But here's the brush. It's dual ended. But yeah, and then it has like the little names: Champagne, Pixie, Rosie, Subtle, Bling, Rockstar. But yeah, that's some good payoff on those eyeshadows. Like, it's so smooth and buttery. I can't believe that. Aldi is onto something. And then this is the outside of it. I don't know if you can see it. This one is number 3. I think there was number 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and Smoky, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, cool. Here you go. Let me open the next one real quick because I need to go get her ready for bed. I think it's like 11 or 12 something. And I'm ready to get in the bed myself. We have a few more stores to go to tomorrow. Okay, so this one is number 2. Those are the colors on this one. And Vanilla Sand, Orchid, Corn, Lilac, Mocha, Willow, Khaki, Pistol, Champagne, Shadow, and Charcoal. I got all. What you looking for, baby? Here you go. Here you go. I got all of them except the Smoky palette because I'm not really into the smoky eye. So I probably wouldn't have used any of those colors. I just rubbed the eyeshadow on her. What you looking for? Here, this? Yeah. Okay, and the last one. Yeah, ow. Ow. And the last one that I got. Oh, it's Nectar. So it was 2, 3, Smoky, and Nectar. Yeah. I really like this one with the gold tones. Oh, well, hold on. Can you hold on 1 second? Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so if you have Aldi near you, I will run and go get these. And like she said, they were made really good Christmas gifts. But I don't have anybody to give them to, so I'm going to use them myself. Alright, that's it for tonight. I'm about to go get her ready. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.